All right, welcome back to Big Time Framers. That's how we build a wall. So we got our header, all the studs laid out. We're ready to go. Okay, now we gotta get our leg sizes. 93 and 3/8. Come along, after I grab my saw. All right, got the wall nailed. We're gonna move it down to our 3.5 line that we chalked right there. And we nail it down so we can square it. I go every other one. Okay, now we gotta square it. All right, can't forget our window opening. So we got 2 tight and then 2 continue off our 16s, and we got a sill. All right, we use our scraps that we got for the top rips. Then we got this little, call it the Red Rockets, the Ripper. Okay, now we gotta put foam, 1-inch foam board on the outside.